So what is meditation? Let me give you just one definition out of many, many definitions that I received from my instructor, Sarah McLean. And that is, meditation is simply a word to describe the many techniques and practices, both modern and ancient, which settle your nervous system and train your brain to be more relaxed, engaged, and focused. So the key thing out of this, now I'm going to give you my interpretation. The key thing about meditation is the practice, okay? The practice. So you have many options, dozens, if not hundreds of options on exactly how you can meditate, okay? And those being most predominantly breathing awareness, gratitude, visualization, contemplation, walking, chanting, okay? But the key with meditation is the consistency. In other words, a daily practice. You have to, and I don't normally use the word have to, but if that is your goal to acquire the benefits of meditation, is to practice it and practice it on a daily basis. One way that I describe to people that are just beginning is that it's kind of like a video game. When you are in the mode of a player, right? You could see in the top of your screen your life energy, right? And it's usually a green bar when you have full life energy. And then as you go through the video game and you don't acquire the sustenance, you lose that energy. So it goes from yellow to orange and to like that red zone, okay? So when you meditate, that feeling of consistently meditating, doing the practice, is that you are in that green zone. You leave that red and you go into the orange and you go into the yellow and you acquire that green. But when you stop the practice, slowly but surely, it begins going back towards that depletion. So it's not like doing meditation and you're set. Like, let's say you do this 30-day challenge and all of a sudden you feel as though, oh, I'm set, I'm good. You'll really understand the contrast if you were to stop. Because when I was first starting, okay, a daily practice, and I traveled and I got out of my routine for about 3 or 4 days, that I noticed the difference. And it was overwhelming because there it was. Wow, before meditation and after meditation. So here in this course, I will give you some suggestions on top 3 suggestions actually, on how to form your meditation practice.